Welcome back. My name is Sheila, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Here at Positive Changes, I am working towards improving myself, getting healthier and eating right, trying to lose some weight, but also just improving myself overall, my overall health and well-being, my home. And over the last few weeks, you may have noticed that we've been doing a lot more work in our kitchen, and we've been remodeling our floor. Let me give you an update on what we have done so far. If you remember, back in April, we remodeled this side of the wall of our dining room. And there is my cabinet that has my, that's where I normally store my green beans and tomatoes that are fresh from the garden. I can those every year. Well, right now we're using that to store some of the stuff from our hutch and our pantry. This is our kitchen, and I've shown you in previous videos how bad the kitchen floor was. You can kind of get a sneak peek of what it looked like right underneath the refrigerator, how bad the floor was. Well, so far this last couple of weeks, we've managed to dig up pull up all of the floor, and this is as far as we've gotten with our flooring. We got about halfway across the room, and we still have this half of the room. We had to move the dryer over there in the corner. There is my pantry. Like I showed you, my hutch is over here. And the washer is back there in the corner. I know my husband wants to do a little bit more on this room tonight, but what I want to do today is tackle the refrigerator. I need to empty it out because we are going to have to move it over on this part of the room so that we could get to that floor. So let's get clearing out. I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes and we're going to do it. Okay, I have my little Bumblebee a kitchen clock. I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. It's not super reliable, so if you see me looking around over on this side, I'm looking at the digital clock on my stove just to make sure. But we're going to get into our refrigerator. I do have a Trader Joe's insulated bag that I'm going to put some of the refrigerated things in. And I've also started getting out some of the old leftovers that we just haven't eaten yet. So let's see how much we can get done today. And yes, I am doing this straight 10 minutes through, sort of like a live stream, but not, just so that I can give you guys an idea of just how long it's going to take me. So, and here I am waffling and not getting my stuff done. So there's that. This is a tea. Let me go put this in here. I'll probably just drink it up. Let's see. Let's get the things out of the door first, I guess. Get my milk. And the applesauce and juice. I'm going to just try to cram as much of this in here as I can. You know what? This is old. Let me move my trash can over here. And this is almost empty anyway. I've had it in there forever. So things I'm going to just throw away is just going in the trash. What is the date on this? I don't even see a date on, well, there it is. It is so dark, it is hard to see. Okay, yep, that's old. Most of this here I haven't used in months, so I do use this. So we're going to save the teriyaki. I can't believe it's not butter. Yes. I love this. Sorry. I love this hot sauce. I got this at Aldi's some time back, and it is delicious. So if you like hot sauce, I recommend that. Where I got this. What is the what is the date on it? I hate when the bottles don't have dates on them. And I'm not sure how old this is, so it's going. This is empty. Romano cheese. We want to keep that. Yeah, I'm going to try to fill this up as best I can. Nope. Okay. Lemon juice. My ginger paste and tomato paste. My garlic. This is new. I do know that. That is new. October. We're still good on that. Barely, but we're still good. We're still good. Ketchup. Oh boy. Let's rearrange a few things here. These smaller bottles can lay on top. And strawberry. Oh boy. This is. And mustard. Oh boy. Where am I going to fit the mustard? Yeah. Alrighty. I think that's as good as I'm going to get in here. Watch me not be able to close it back up. Oh my gosh, is it gonna work? Oh my gosh, is it gonna work? Oh my gosh, I got it working. Everything that was in this door you saw is now in here, plus a couple of the milks that was here on the shelf. That is my refrigerator. If you heard the 3 beeps, that was my refrigerator telling me my door is left open. Okay. I know it's open. We are working in it. We are cleaning it out. Okay, this is old. That is old. That is old. And that's old. Alrighty. Got all of those things done out of the door. Now I got the rest of this to do. How much more minutes do I have? Oh, we got about 4 minutes. Well, this is going to take longer than 10 minutes, so. Let me get a couple of bags here. Okay. Well, here we go. Had to find another bag. Sorry about that. But this is a ruler bag. They're affiliated with Kroger, so we just have ruler in our community. So, what else? Let's see. You know what? I ought to make this for lunch sometime. Let me set this aside. I think I will have what's left of the beans. for lunch. These are a couple of things that I just need to wash out and dump. Alrighty. And some pickle relish. Some sour cream. You get a sneak peek of how bad I can bag things up in the grocery bag. My husband's a whole lot better about that. Some cottage cheese, some yogurt, miso paste, what is the expiration on this? There it is. It's next year, so maybe I can make this into a soup sometime. Let me go get another bag. There we go. These are some more things that I need to dump out. And some ricotta cheese. What's the amount? Okay, this is old. That gets thrown away. Someone's leftover sandwich from Burger King never got ate. My dad brought this over. He brought some radishes. I think they might still be good. We'll set these over to the side. Okay, guys. Well, I guess that was 10 minutes. So we got a lot of things done so far this morning in 10 minutes. So I'm going to keep at this today. I hope you guys have a great day, and let me know down in the comments below what kind of things that you're working on today. If there is something that you've been putting off and just needs to get ready, needs to get completed or whatever, leave a comment down below and let me know so I can cheer you on. And we can make positive changes in our lives at any time. And they don't have to be huge things like this big refrigerator. It could be just a single shelf or one bag of something, one box of something, whatever it is. Declutter one shelf, one counter, whatever it is. But don't underestimate those little wins each and every day. They do add up, and whenever you reflect on your accomplishments, you'll start feeling better about yourself. I learned that myself, and that's why I want to keep going at it with a positive outlook and a positive mindset, and we can accomplish our goals. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye. I think my refrigerator says goodbye too.